Hello, welcome back to this amazing channel. You want to stay happy in your relationship, your life in general, this channel is for you. So today we're talking about how to attract wealthy man and build genuine lasting relationship or connection. So the first step is upgrade your mindset. Upgrade your mindset. Confidence is key. Self-love first. Wealthy men are often surrounded by people who want something from them. When you genuinely love and value yourself, it shows. Now, affirmations work. Yes, affirmations work. Start your day with affirmations like, I am worthy of self-love, I am worthy of love, I'm worthy of love, I am worthy of respect. Start your day with such affirmations. Invest in self-growth. Read widely. Knowledgeable conversations are a big plus. Yes. You can explore topics like finance, travel, arts, and even current events. Develop your skills. Cooking, a new language, or even mastering a hobby can add layers to your personality. The second step is refine your presence. So style and grooming matters. Dress the part. This is saying that the way you dress is the way you'll be addressed. That is very true. You don't need designer labels, but aim for timeless and polished looks. Think classic, not flashy. Signature scent, a pleasant, subtle fragrance can make you memorable. It can make you memorable. Your fitness matters. Your fitness matters a lot. A healthy and active lifestyle not only keeps you fit, but it boosts your energy and confidence. Now, cultivate a magnetic personality. Be warm and approachable. Smile genuinely. Maintain good eye contact and be mindful of your body language. Humor helps. You will not just, be too serious because you want to get a wealthy man. Lighten up the mood. Lighten up the mood with a good sense of humor. Now, the third step is beware wealthy men are. You want to attract a wealthy man and you're going to Mama Put. Social settings to consider are high-end restaurants. Okay, so go to high-end restaurants. You don't have to go to Mama Put. Lounges and country clubs. So dress well. Bring a friend. Even if you don't want to bring a friend, go out and enjoy the environment. Go to charity events and galas. These are great for meeting philanthropists and successful professionals. You want to attract wealthy men, go to where wealthy men are. Go for business conferences and expos. Even if you're not invited, even if you're not in the industry, there are many events that allow public attendees. Go there. Expand your horizons. Expand your horizons. Travel smart. Explore popular destinations for affluent people, such as business hubs or luxury resorts. Engage in hobbies they enjoy. Wealthy men enjoy golf, sailing, so engage in hobbies they enjoy. Golf, sailing, art exhibitions, or wine tasting can be great opportunities to meet someone wealthy. Now, the fourth step is master the art of conversation. Master the art of conversation. You don't just talk, blah, 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 blah. Listen more and talk less. Ask open-ended questions. Instead of, did you have a good day? Try, what was the highlight of your day? That is better. Find common ground. Whether it's travel, business, or hobbies. Connect on shared interest. Connect on shared interest. Share your story, but share it strategically. Don't be too open. Be intriguing. Share stories that showcase your personality and values. Stay positive. Avoid gossip. They don't have anything to do with gossip. Avoid gossip and all these negative topics. Avoid them like a plague. So the fifth step is build genuine connection. You're not just going for their money, you're going there to build connection. So add value to their life, add value to his life, be supportive. You know, wealthy men often deal with stress. They often deal with stress. So your ability to bring calm and joy can set you apart. Encourage his goals. Show interest in his ambitions without appearing opportunistic. Maintain some mystery. Maintain some mystery. Don't overshare. Keep the conversation balanced. Stay a bit unpredictable. You know, it keeps things exciting when you're not all that predictable. So the sixth step is establish your independence. Very important. Have your own goals. Financial independence is attractive. It shows you are with him for the right reasons. It shows you are with him for the right reasons and not for his money. Be busy and purposeful. Don't drop everything for him. Your own schedule should be full and fulfilling. Okay, you should also have emotional stability. Avoid neediness. Respect his time and space. Give him space. Give him time. Avoid being needy. Always wanting him. Like, just avoid being needy. Maintain strong friendships and social connections outside of the relationship. Now, I want to share this bonus tip with you. There are things that you can avoid in order to get a wealthy man. Do not fake interest. In all that I've said, do not fake interest. Authenticity is critical. It is important. Avoid being transactional. Genuine love and companionship can't be bought. You know, small things make big impressions. You can send thank you notes to him. A handwritten note after a thoughtful gesture can set you apart. Handwritten notes. Thoughtful gestures like you bringing his favorite coffee, or remember little details he mentions. Can set you apart. You understand? So if you really enjoyed this video, I want you to give this video a thumbs up. Do well to share it so that others who need this, who also want to attract wealthy men, would watch and learn and also implement, because it is very important. Nobody wants to stay with someone who is not wealthy. Nobody wants to, you know. So share this video, and if you have not subscribed, do well to subscribe. See you some other time. Turn on the notification icon so you get notified whenever there is a new video. See you some other time, and bye.